Donald Trump and Elon Musk. In a rare move, the U.S. Supreme Court just dealt a significant blow to both men by shutting down their legal arguments. Here's what happened. Special counsel Jack Smith secured a search warrant for Donald Trump's X account, formerly known as Twitter. This wasn't just about his public posts. It likely involved private messages as well. The information gathered was crucial to Smith's investigation into Trump's attempts to overturn the 2020 election results. When prosecutors get this kind of data from social media platforms, they also often request a non-disclosure order. This prevents the platform from informing the person under investigation that their data has been accessed. In this case, the court imposed a 6-month non-disclosure order on Twitter, prohibiting them from notifying Trump about the data request. The reasoning was simple. If Trump had known, he might have tampered with evidence or influenced witnesses. Now, this is where Elon Musk enters the picture. Musk, who owns X, wasn't happy about being forced to stay silent. He argued that the non-disclosure order violated his First Amendment rights, essentially saying that X should have the right to inform Trump or the public about the warrant. However, legally, Musk's argument didn't hold up, and lower courts rejected his claim. Undeterred, Musk took the case all the way to the Supreme Court, hoping they might be more sympathetic, especially given their previous rulings favorable to Trump. But in a surprising move, the Supreme Court refused to hear the case, delivering a significant setback to both Musk and Trump. By doing so, the court upheld the non-disclosure order and rejected Musk's attempt to fight it. So, why is this so important? Musk wasn't just fighting the order for this one case. He was trying to set a precedent that would allow social media platforms like X to avoid similar orders in the future. If Musk had succeeded, it would mean that platforms could openly tell users when their data was being handed over to prosecutors, potentially tipping off suspects and undermining investigations. The Supreme Court's decision maintains the status quo, where prosecutors can request search warrants for social media data, and courts can issue non-disclosure orders to keep the subjects of investigations in the dark until prosecutors have what they need. This decision underscores the importance of protecting ongoing investigations and preventing interference. What's interesting here is that Musk's challenge ended up drawing even more attention to the fact that federal investigators had accessed Trump's Twitter data. The non-disclosure order had likely expired by the time Musk filed the lawsuit, but his legal battle brought the issue into the spotlight. Had he filed it earlier, the case might have stayed under wraps, but Musk's push to challenge the system made it public. This ruling also sends a clear message. Even powerful figures like Musk and Trump aren't above the law. Despite Musk's control over X and Trump's political influence, the courts upheld the legal procedures designed to protect the integrity of investigations. For those concerned about the justice system, this is a reassuring moment. It demonstrates that, at least in this instance, the law is being applied fairly, even to those with immense political and financial power. The courts have shown that they won't bend the rules just because someone influential challenges them. In the broader context, this case highlights the ongoing tension between tech companies and the legal system. Musk argued that his First Amendment rights were being violated by the non-disclosure order, but the courts recognize that certain limits on speech, especially in criminal investigations, are necessary to uphold justice. The decision keeps the balance between free speech and the need for confidentiality in ongoing investigations. As we head into future elections and ongoing investigations into Trump's actions, this precedent will be crucial. Social media companies will still be required to comply with prosecutors' requests for user data, and courts will continue to issue non-disclosure orders to prevent any tampering with investigations. For now, the case is closed, but it leaves a lasting impact on how legal processes intersect with the tech world. If you want to stay informed on the latest developments in legal news, make sure to subscribe to US Insight Report. We'll continue to keep you updated with all the major news shaping the nation. Thanks for tuning in.